Tracking your progress in meditation. Welcome to our video on tracking your progress as you build and refine your meditation practice. Keeping an eye on your development can motivate you and help tailor your practice to better suit your needs. Let's explore some simple and effective ways to monitor your journey in meditation, suitable even for beginners. Why track your progress? Monitoring your progress in meditation is essential because it helps you see how far you have come and what aspects still need attention. It is not about judging yourself or striving for perfection, but about understanding your experiences and adjusting your practice as needed. This awareness can be incredibly motivating and can guide you towards a more effective and fulfilling meditation routine. How to track your meditation progress. 1. Set clear benchmarks. Before you start tracking, define what success looks like for you. This could be improving focus, reducing stress, or feeling more relaxed and joyful. Knowing what you aim to achieve helps you measure whether your practice is effective. 2. Use a meditation journal. Keep a daily or weekly journal where you jot down your experiences after each session. Note how long you meditated, the technique you used, and how you felt before and after. This can help you identify patterns and see improvements over time. 3. Mindfulness questionnaire. Occasionally, use a simple questionnaire to assess aspects of your mindfulness, such as how often you felt present during the day or how you dealt with stress. Comparing answers over time can offer insights into your growth. 4. Physical and emotional check-ins. Pay attention to physical sensations or emotions that arise during and after your sessions. Tracking this can help you understand how meditation impacts your body and mind on a deeper level. 5. Set regular review times. Schedule times to review your progress, such as once a month. Look over your journal entries and questionnaires to evaluate how you are doing and decide if you need to make any changes to your practice. Conclusion. Tracking your progress in meditation isn't about evaluating every session, but celebrating small victories and understanding your personal growth journey. This structured approach not only keeps you engaged with your practice, but also inspires ongoing commitment by highlighting the tangible benefits meditation brings to your life. Remember, every step forward is a step towards a more mindful, centered, and peaceful you. With these tools, you can see clear evidence of your development in meditation, helping you stay committed and motivated as you continue to explore the depth of mindfulness. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.